In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage caching settings using Cloudflare. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, understanding these steps will help ensure your website runs smoothly and efficiently. So let's begin. First, navigate to the Cloudflare website. If you're not already familiar, Cloudflare is a service widely used for improving website performance and security. It acts as a content delivery network, or CDN, which essentially means it helps deliver your content to users faster by storing cached versions of your website on servers around the globe. Once you're on the Cloudflare homepage, you'll want to log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can see all the domains you have connected to Cloudflare. Look for the domain you want to work with. Now click on that domain to bring up its specific settings. This is where you can configure a wide variety of parameters related to your domain. Once in the domain settings, direct your attention to the left side menu and find the section labeled Caching. Click on that. Caching is a crucial feature on Cloudflare because it helps reduce load times and server strain by storing or caching static content closer to your users. This makes your website appear quicker than if every request had to fetch fresh data from the origin server. Inside the caching section, you'll notice a tab called Configuration. Click on this to open the configuration options for caching. You're going to see an option that says Purge Everything. Now, a quick disclaimer here. Purging your cache removes all cached content for your domain. This is sometimes necessary when you've made updates to your site and want to make sure visitors see the most current version of your website without delay. Once you click Purge Everything, a confirmation prompt might appear asking if you're sure you want to proceed. Confirm, and Cloudflare will begin clearing the cached data for your domain. It could take a bit of time depending on the size of your website and the amount of data stored in the cache. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully managed your caching settings through Cloudflare. Now your site should be serving the freshest content to all your visitors. Remember, clearing your cache should be done with careful consideration. It's a powerful tool, but frequent use can sometimes cause longer load times until the cache is rebuilt. I hope this guide helps you keep your website running at its best. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this. Until next time, happy website managing.